Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine using DAMS resources. Begin by thoroughly understanding the DAMS Back to Basics course, including its study materials, video lectures, and practice questions. The eMedicaz app is a valuable tool, offering a variety of features to facilitate your learning journey. It provides live and recorded classes across all 19 subjects, along with interactive discussion platforms. Next, craft a meticulously designed study plan that allocates specific time slots for each medical topic. Prioritize high-yield areas and frequently tested concepts to maximize your efficiency. Leverage DAMS video lectures to build conceptual understanding, complementing them with the provided study materials. Consistency is key. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to challenging subjects like anatomy. Mastering revision is crucial for success. DAMS offers tailored revision courses, such as the DVT, designed to condense learned material into concise notes. Practice regularly with subject-wise tests and grand tests to assess your progress and identify weak areas. Personalize your DAMS workbooks by adding your own notes and mnemonics, making the content more memorable for quick recall. For optimal exam preparation, engage in computer-based mock tests to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps reduce anxiety and familiarizes you with the format. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to understand mistakes and improve your approach. DAMS question banks, including previous year questions, are excellent for extensive practice and reinforcing your conceptual understanding across all 19 subjects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.